Are you feeling a little stressed? Hi, my name is Kay Black and welcome to this week's edition of Bus Talks for April 12th, dealing with stress. Every day our lives are filled with stress, whether this stress is caused by family responsibilities, financial difficulties, health concerns, or work-related pressures. Regardless of the reason for stress, everyone at some time needs a healthy way to cope with it. One of the first steps in dealing with stress is to identify the exact source or sources of the stress. In some cases, you may not be able to quickly determine the true source of the stress because you're obviously looking past the obvious. In many stressful situations, the reason for our stress is not a deadline at work or having a bill collector calling our job, but maybe a more complex reason. Many times we create stress due to our own actions like procrastination or overspending when we really don't have the money. We have to learn to take responsibility for our role in creating stress, and we have to also learn to maintain and control the stress levels that we can manage. Keep in mind, stress is a normal part of everyday life. Stress can also be beneficial to you depending on the situation, by making you more alert and ready to respond. A few examples would be responding to an emergency situation or when you work hard on a project on a short timeline. Although stress can be good at manageable levels, elevated levels of stress can create temporary discomfort, including headaches, backaches, and/or trouble sleeping. Prolonged elevated levels of stress can create serious health problems, including digestive problems, high blood pressure, and/or cardiovascular disease. Temporary methods of dealing with stress are normally unhealthy, provide short-term results, and really never allow you to manage your stress levels. These short-term solutions include overeating, smoking, drinking alcohol excessively, withdrawing from friends and family, using drugs, oversleeping, and/or displays of physical violence. Each of these methods are short-term and usually end up creating additional amounts of stress. Managing your stress level takes patience, practice, and understanding of your own personal and professional situations. There are several successful methods you can use to help reduce your levels of stress. Some of the most used techniques include conflict resolution, exercising, better time management, and/or relaxation. Just a reminder about our monthly training class on conflict resolution, if you need some good ideas on the subject. Also, this might be a good time to think about joining our walk across Texas. Exercise, even in small amounts, is good for relieving stress. Depending on your personal preferences and experiences, you should learn successful methods to deal with the stress in your life that affect your well-being. You are in control of how you deal with your stress, but never be afraid to ask for help if your stress level becomes unmanageable. Thanks for watching this week's edition of Bus Talks, and remember to sign off on the sign-off sheet. And be safe.